kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, give him a kiss. Ito hakain ako talagang hapak-hapak inti ka. Kakain tayo nito and yun.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ang aga ko nagising, guys. 6 o'clock. Ang ano ng iro ng aso namin sobrang tahol ng tahol at saka may naririnig ako sa baba na ano na yung garage namin nag-open. May tao. So ang ingay ng aso sobrang ay nako, natatakot ako kasi may pumasok sa bahay. Takot na takot dahil may pumasok sa bahay. Itong dalawa. Here, somebody's here, guys. Look, guys, somebody's went in the house and the dog went crazy. Look. What are you looking? No one is flashing. I just looked at the window too last night. Yeah. No, you guys cannot get in here. Stay right here. No bug. No. So yeah, Tommy's here early in the morning. He drove here, and then the garage he parked close to the street. And you park close to the street, and then when you walk on that thing, is you're not wet.
When I first walked on it, it didn't even break. We just walk on top of it.
So it's really icy.
Then after a while, it started breaking.
But it's all ice.
Yeah.
So it's not like the whole thing is ice.
No, but it was snowing on my drive up.
Really?
As soon as I hit 684, as soon as I hit 84.
It's snowing again.
And then when I got to the Connaught Parkway.
Han, careful. Han, I heard something over there too. Oh, it's really cold. Han! It's a deer! It's a deer over there! Tignan natin si Tommy, guys, kung anong... Han, it can't, right?
No, the chain is slipping on here.
The chain slipping?
Right, it's slipping on the floor here.
Look what happened. It's unhooked.
Yeah, I'm taking them off at this point.
Why you cannot take it off? Guys, the machine, it's not working properly. It slide everywhere because it's snow, guys. It's not ice. It's not snow anymore, so that's what happened.
I'm driving with 0 degrees.
Yeah, it feels like 0, right? It's a 7.
7?
I don't know. It's over there. Roxy! Hala, -0, guys. Look. -0.6. Then I just leave it there.
Stuff like that. What would you
I'm
do?
just gonna leave it like that.
And the garage will stay open. And
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, forget animals sleeping in your garage.
Do hot water, and it's really freezing outside, guys. Tommy's hand is numb.
You never do hot water.
Huh?
Never do hot water.
Why?
Because it's not good. You gotta do cold water and let it go warm slowly.
I'm not gonna see my husband.
Sorry, I figured this trip would have worked out better, but I kind of knew the possibility because of the ice. I knew.
Love
You know, it was a long shot. Love you too,
So masakit yung puso ko palagi guys kapag ganito. Ganito yung mangyayari palagi. Parang masakit na masakit. Guys, it's freezing cold over here. Kinuha ko yung ano dito rag kasi sumuka si Roxy, so I wash it. Pero guys, ang ginaw guys, grabe. Look, oh, grabe ang ginaw. Tignan nga natin kung anong temperature na ngayon. Okay, it's 9 this morning. That was really, it's still very cold guys, promise. But oh my god, yung kapitbahay namin din oh. Nag-ice. Oh, pati yung daan nila doon na ice talaga. Wala si Tami. But for now, guys, I'm going to do sit-up. Magsi-sit up tayo tuwing umaga. Punta tayo sa baba, guys. I turned the fireplace on para naman, okay yung bahay. Hindi maginaw. Hindi naman maginaw, pero yung fireplace area sobrang ginaw. Hindi, wala dito yung asawa ko. Kasi hindi sila makapunta. Kasi alam na. But anyway, so the fireplace is on. And right here, naglalaro lang kami ng aso dito. Right, Rox? We are playing. Huh? Time check. It is 5:30 na. And I'm going to feed the animals. I'm going to feed the animals. And din ako, magluluto din ako ng leftover steak para hindi siya masira. Kasi yung steak na niluto namin, ni Tami, the other vlog, di ba nakita niyo, leftover yan. And lutuin natin para hindi masira. Kasi sayang naman yung steak, di ba? Ang sasayang naman. Where's Roxy? Where is Roxy? Where are you? Come here. Somebody's laying down over there. Hala, miti kami. Miti. 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 Gutom, guys. Are you gutom? Are you hungry? Poor little man. Poor little bug. Hungry man na bug. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Kiss your brother. Kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, give him a kiss. Oh, natulaling ang ang tainga. Give your brother a kiss. This advertised ba? It's really crazy. It's a car advertisement. It's the Fifth Element na ba? Yung sino nakapanood ng Fifth Element? So, nagkakanta-kanta ako dito na The Fifth Element ba na yung doon sila sa spaceship ba yun o barko and then may kumakanta na alien. Pero ngayon magluluto tayo ng leftover steak kasi yung steak na niluto ni Tamimoy andito, tingnan nyo yan, perfect ba siya guys o yung steak, yung ibang tao kakainin na nila yun. Pero tayo, hindi natin kakainin yan. Kasi yung camera ko nagloko. Nagloko talaga yung camera ko, guys. Yan. Para akong buntis, oh. Ano yan? Ay, bulky lang yung oh. Ito siya. But anyway, explain pa mo. Mataba, ikaw dahil mataba. Huwag ka nang mag-explain. Anyway guys, alam nyo guys na ba ninyo yun guys? Hindi ko alam na may away pala si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi ko alam na may away si Manny Pacquiao. Nakita ko na lang na may away siya. Yung nanalo na siya. Nanalo na naman si Pacquiao. Milyonaryo. Well, billionaire na yan si Pacquiao guys. Hindi yan million, billion. Billion yan kay Pacquiao. Sabihin ko sa inyo, billion yan. Piso guys, sa piso, billion. Bakit may tubig? Ay, sa tomato. Yung tomato nagtubig. Bakit ikaw nagtubig? Tomato ha ka. Ay, naku, talagang hapak-hapakinti ka. Ay, naku. Sige, ano natin ito? Tignan nyo guys. Bangong. Bangong. Iwan ko parang sa camera man itong problema or ako yung may problema guys. Luto na siya guys, pero gusto ko yung pagid. Yung mapapagid ba? Kaso itong tomato nagbigay ng tubig. So ang nangyayari, hindi na siya pagid, lata. Gusto ko siyang lutuin ng matagal. Para siyang naging ano, kasi may tomato, para siyang may tawag dyan. Imbutido yun. Guys, may ano ako sa inyo, favor. Diba, meron akong Facebook, yung Facebook account ko. Pero guys, meron akong Facebook page. Doon na ako magla-live, guys. And doon ko na din mag-post ako palagi doon. Yung Facebook page ko, ito siya, guys. Dito siya. And dito ko na ako magla-live. Kung gusto kong mag-live sa Facebook. Doon ko sa page na ako magla-like. So, please guys, if you are going to visit my page, paki-like guys. Salamat guys ha. So, salamat sa inyo. And kung hindi pa kayo naka-like, please like na sa page ko guys. Kasi doon ako mag-live. So, hindi na sa Facebook account ko na yung doon ako magpo-post ng mga link. Magpo-post din ako ng mga link doon. Pero doon na ako magla-live. At saka yung mga videos na i-upload ko na playable na siya. Yung i-play na talaga doon na sa page ko. And please, paki-like sa Facebook natin, guys, para madami-dami tayo ba. Sana abot tayo ng 10,000. Kaya 10,000 na, masaya na ako, guys. Sana Facebook 10,000, like. Hit lang ninyo ng like, guys. Yun lang, click. Yun lang, click. Ganon. Okay na, guys. Masaya na ako. Salamat. Salamat, guys, ha. Ito yung gusto ko na part, guys. Yung parang nagpepereto na siya from cooking sa ito yung magpa-tenderize yung tawag nito, yung tomato. So, ngayon, ganito na siya. Parang napa-fry na siya sa oil niya. And which is yun ang gusto ko talaga. Kakain tayo nito. And yun. Itong buko. Gusto ko tong ganito, itong ganito. Mas gusto ko yan. Kitkiton ba? Kitkiton. Murag iro. Parang aso, guys ba? Parang aso. Kapatid ng asawa ko. Night time na. The light is on downstairs because, you know, para naman meron tayong light. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go up. Roxy, up. Guys, I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, take care of myself, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. My Ragna is still we're still playing. Yep. 34 level na. 34. But anyway guys, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rocka.